how to schedule post on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Facebook app and then go to the gallery icon on the right hand side beside what's on your mind. Here, choose the photo from your gallery, hit next, and then put in any caption that you want to. Edit the photo according to your wish, and then hit next on the top right. Now, here you'll find the scheduling options. Tap on it. So you can tap on schedule for later, and then it will ask you to choose the time. So I'm going to choose Tuesday and 12:30 p.m. and then hit save on the top right, and now your post has been scheduled. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.